Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be something a little bit different. So I've received this package from Erabella Hair. So I'll be showing you how to apply their clip-in hair extensions today and also style them. And I've also received their selfie lashes. So I'll be showing you how to apply these to finish off my look for today. With the hair extensions, they come in a pack like this. And it's got like a tester packet on the bottom. So once you're happy with the tester, you can go ahead and open the rest. So in the pack, you receive a casing for the hair extensions. So it looks like this. And basically you can hang them up in your wardrobe. And then you also get a hanger for the hair extensions, which looks like this. And once this hook is down, it means you can open it up and put the hair extensions in, clip them in, and put them into that casing. So you can curl them and straighten them on the hanger. So this is a close-up of the selfie lashes. So they're nice wispy lashes. So I've also received their Oh So Glam hair oil, which smells amazing. I feel like it smells like cotton candy. Pretty good because it's sulfate and paraben free. So it's got argan oil, almond oil, and jojoba oil. It hydrates and moisturizes your hair and gives it like a nice sheen to it as well. So to get started, I've straightened my hair off of camera. I'm just going to go ahead and double check that the tester matches my hair color. So the color I got for this is Dirty Blonde, and the tester has 2 clips on it, which look like this. And basically I'm just wanting to see if it matches the color of my highlights. Since I've got some strands of hair that are a bit lighter, I can kind of blend it in and create more of like an ombre look. So since I'm happy with the color that's in here, I can go ahead and open the rest of the pack. So it comes in a pack like this. So in this set you get 10 separate pieces. So you get 2 sets with 4 clips, 2 sets with 3 clips, 2 sets with 2 clips including the tester pack, and then 4 sets of 1 clip ones, which are great for like the front of the hair. So what I like about these extensions is that the hair goes all the way down, they're quite thick. So these particular extensions are 20 inches and they're 220 grams thick. So since they are real human hair, you can color them as well and cut them, curl them, straighten them. So I'll be putting them in today, showing you how to apply them and then curl them as well. Firstly, I've started off with the 3-clip weft and sectioned the lower third of my hair for application. With a barrel brush, I've just slightly teased my roots so that the clips have better grip. Basically, you want to clip the extensions as close to your roots as possible. I've then re-sectioned my hair about 1 inch higher and went in with the same technique to apply one of the 4-clip wefts. I've done this on this part of my head as there's more space for the wider clips. Working about 1 centimeter higher, I've gone ahead and applied another 4-clip weft to my hair. Working my way up to the top quarter of my hair, I've applied the second 3-clip weft. Then on the same layer of hair, I've applied individual clips closer to the front of my face. Using the last 2 single clip wefts, I've sectioned the top half of my hair and applied them both to both sides of my head. With the 2 final double clip wefts, I've just applied these where I found I needed a little bit more volume higher throughout my head. To curl my hair, I've just grabbed small to medium sized sections of my hair and the extensions and started from the bottom half of my head. I've worked my way upwards with the curling iron. I've curled some parts of my hair forwards and some backwards. For the front sections of my hair, I've curled these facing away from my face. Then I've brushed my hair out for soft beachy waves and applied the Erabella Oh So Glam oil. So now to finish off this look, I'm going to apply the lashes. To apply my lashes, I've applied a thin layer of glue to the lashes and let the glue get tacky. Then I've applied them to the middle part of my eye and worked on sticking down each side of the lash at a time. Hey guys, so this is the finished look for today. So I've applied the Erabella hair extensions and I've curled them into my hair. So this just makes the blend look a lot more natural. It's very easy to accomplish and the hair feels nice and soft as well with the serum. Overall, I definitely recommend these extensions to anybody looking for clip-ins, and they also do tape-ins too. So you can check out these hair extensions at erabellahair.com, or alternatively you can check out their Instagram page, which is at Erabella Hair. I'll put the links down below so you can check it out. And if you are interested in getting any of the products that I've featured today, then you can use my promo code Sarah10 to get 10% off. So if you did enjoy watching this video, please do like it and subscribe to my channel for more content.